We often think of the northern and southern lights as perfect mirror images, dancing in harmony at opposite ends of the world. But in 2001, scientists saw something that changed that view forever. The auroras were lopsided. The culprit? A force from the sun. The solar wind carries the sun's magnetic field, the IMF, which can twist Earth's own magnetic shield. This twist misaligns the magnetic foot points, the spots where the magnetic field connects to our atmosphere. Using 2 satellites, scientists captured this misalignment in action, a stunning 3-hour difference between the 2 auroras. But Earth's magnetic field is resilient. It tries to untwist itself in a process called restoring symmetry. To do this, plasma trapped on the field lines has to move faster in one hemisphere to let its foot point catch up. Ground-based radars confirmed this theory, measuring faster plasma speeds in the southern hemisphere during the event. This powerful untwisting process generates massive electrical currents that flow along the magnetic field lines. These currents, called Birkeland currents, are what slam into our atmosphere and create the brilliant glow of the aurora. So the lopsided auroras are a direct sign of our planet's magnetic field dynamically reacting to the sun. It's a constant cosmic dance that protects our world and creates the greatest light show on Earth.